Hi, we're going to go over 1 and 2 of the semicolon practice sheet I gave you. Of course, you cannot include those in 10. Notice that the instructions say to pick any 10 of these sentences to do. You don't have to do all 18. So let's just look at the first one. The first one says, the scientific names of animals are often informative. For example, Procyon lotor, the scientific name for the raccoon, names two traits of the animal. So when we look at this, we know it seems kind of run-on-ish, and that's exactly what I would say. There are two set parts of the sentence that can stand on their own. The scientific names for animals are almost informative. For example, Procyon lotor, the scientific name for raccoon, names two traits of the animals. Well, I think this goes together, for example, and the rest of the sentence does make sense. It can stand on its own. And on the other hand, we have this first part that could stand on its own. So what I would do here is put a semicolon right there. Make sure you're choosing semicolon. It's the one that does not have a shift to it. I'm also going to highlight it so Ms. Rader knows that that's one of the examples that I did. You can bold it, you can do whatever you'd like. Let's do the second one as well, and this is what I'm expecting is lotor, which means washer, refers to the raccoon's habit of dunking its food in water, and procyon, which means better, the dog, indicates that the animal is a favorite quarry for hunters and their hounds. And that would actually mean this, better, the dog. So I'm finding that this kind of looks like the animal is a favorite, but we have this word here, that, and that connects the sentences. We really don't really need anything other than what is here the way it is. So next, this one I'm going to write correct. And again, I'm going to highlight it so Ms. Rader knows that I did it. And that's kind of what I'm looking for in this activity. I actually did optical character recognition for this handout. So you might find a couple typos in here. And it's just because I didn't retype the whole thing. If you guys have any questions, as always, please ask. Remember, office hours are 10 to 11 in the morning and noon to 1 in the afternoon. Or you can just give me a call and I'd be more than happy to help you guys out. Thanks.